I'm Julie. I am a registered acupuncturist and educator for facial renewal acupuncture, and I give InVideo a 4 out of 5. So when I was choosing InVideo, I had considered a few other software programs prior. So Multimedia 5 was one that I did a free trial on, but I chose InVideo after trying to render some of my little video ads, and it took almost 2 weeks of communicating back and forth between the owner, and I just found the customer service was pretty lax, as well as I never actually received one full final video. Why I chose InVideo was really for my brand, for my business. I want to have quite a few short videos, which is really what InVideo is best for. I like that it's web-based and you can literally do it anywhere, even on your phone. And it has an easy UI, user interface. One of the features I have not used yet, which I'm looking forward to using, is the article to video option. So far, I've focused more on the blank templates. So the templates that you can choose from are actually focused on different social media, for example, Facebook or YouTube. So one of the things I have used for my YouTube channel is using intros and outro templates and actually making it my own. So one of the features that it does have is you are able to, for your brand, have your colors and your fonts automatically programmed in, so you can use it for your video that you're using at the time, but also for future videos. I love that it has many stock videos. Even in acupuncture, a niche like that, I was able to find some wonderful videos. I like that there's different layers that are easy to use. As someone who is not professionally trained with video editing, I found this very easy. I like that the music, you actually don't have to pay extra for. It's included within the fees of InVideo. As well as with the preview view, it's wonderful that before you render your video, you're able to view it in real time. So the one thing that I love with the brand presets is you can also have your logo, and it really saves you time long-term for future videos for lifetime. So how InVideo has integrated in my business is I'm very excited that I've just introduced microneedling, which is very popular worldwide right now for acupuncturists. So what I was able to do is just make a few short video ads, put them up on Facebook, on Instagram, and Twitter to get that out there. So it was really cost friendly for me to be able to advertise on a larger level a new service that I was integrating. With InVideo, what I love is that it's really a one-stop shop, from actually getting your images and video that you can access via stock from InVideo itself, to different fonts, to layers such as emojis, or your YouTube channel at the bottom of the video. I find that from music to that to rendering, it's a really, really fast and efficient program to use versus then going into a more technical program. As a beginner to video programming and editing, this was something I just found made my brand look so polished without having to really spend a lot of time knowing how to use the program.